back to the Shipmate YouTube channel. This week we're talking all about parcel or shipping insurance. So guys, one of the most overlooked things in parcel shipping is insurance. And it's something that, as an e-commerce seller, you should be paying a lot of attention to, because from times packages do go missing, they do get damaged, and these carriers don't really respect your stuff all the time. So what is parcel insurance, and how does it apply? So parcel insurance is kind of like home insurance or car insurance. If the package is damaged or mishandled or not delivered, you can get some money back from the carrier based on the declared value of that item. And this helps you recoup some of your losses and makes it that you are whole again as a seller. So there are really three places where you can get your parcel insurance. The first is directly from the carrier. The second is through some sort of label generation or shipping pricing software like Shippo or Pirate Ship or some of that stuff. And the third would be from a third party, such as a private insurance company or other people who specialize in shipping and freight insurance. So, this is a really important, piece of the shipping puzzle. This is something that does happen. A lot of packages do get lost or damaged in the mail, so it's important to be insured against them. So what should you buy in the way of insurance? First of all, most people are covered by just the basic insurance that comes with most shipping purchase through a carrier. Usually this is up to $100, but it does vary based on the carrier and the service selected. Some services do not come with this free insurance, so it's really important to make sure you are aware of what services you are using and how much coverage you need. If you need more coverage than that allotted $100, you can purchase that through the carrier or through a third party, and you can insure that package. Parcel insurance really protects you from three things. If the package gets lost, damaged, or stolen. So these are the three hazards that you are generally protecting yourself against. You may want to look into whatever insurance you purchased and make sure that it covers all three of these and possibly some other things. A lot of times, parcel insurance will not cover things like an act of God, such as a flood or other disasters. So it's really important to know what is covered and what is not covered. So the last thing I want to talk about when it comes to parcel insurance is documentation. Documentation is key. You're going to want to have proof of the cost of those goods. You're going to want to have all kinds of records regarding the shipping. You're going to want to have photos if they are available, right? And you're going to want to have proof of your insurance. And this is at a bare minimum, right? The more information you can give when you file a claim with your carrier or your insurance company, the more likely that that claim is going to be granted. So it's important to make sure that you keep all your documentation, in line. Make sure that you keep records of these orders, right? What was on that shipment? How much was it worth? Where did it go? All that basic information you will make sure you have at your fingertips in case you do need to file a claim with your parcel service. Something else to note about parcel insurance is that I highly recommend it for high-value items, items that are heavy or fragile, and I recommend it for international shipments. I see a lot of international shipments go missing. This is often because they change hands so many times, so it's really important to insure those, especially considering they're usually pretty high-value shipments because you're spending all that money for the international shipping anyhow. So guys, I hope you learned something about parcel insurance. If you could do us a favor, give us a like, give us a subscribe, give us a share. We really appreciate it. We're on our way to 4,000 before year's end, and we need your help to get there. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next week.